Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In a significant development, an inquiry investigating deaths of mental health patients in Essex has been granted additional legal powers following persistent calls from campaigners. Let's dive into the details. The Health Secretary, Steve Barclay, announced in Parliament that the probe would now be placed on a statutory footing. This means that the inquiry holds the authority to compel witnesses to provide evidence, even including former staff who have previously worked for mental health services in Essex. Mr. Barclay emphasized his commitment to seeking answers for the affected families and expressed hope that this development would offer some comfort to those who have fought tirelessly to raise awareness. Among the campaigners who have been advocating for an upgraded inquiry is Melanie Leahy, whose son Matthew tragically died while receiving care at the Linden Center in Chelmsford back in 2012. Melanie welcomed the announcement, stating that it marked the beginning of the next phase in their mission to uncover the failures that led to the tragic outcomes of their loved ones. The independent inquiry was initiated in 2021 to examine the deaths of individuals who were patients within Essex's mental health services. Between 2000 and 2020, the inquiry's chair, Dr. Geraldine Strathdee, revealed last year that she had received information indicating that up to 2,000 people may have lost their lives during this period. However, the current mental health service provider, the Essex Partnership University NHS Trust, has disputed this figure. Dr. Strathdee, who recently stepped down as chair due to health reasons, had written to the Health Secretary earlier this year, expressing the need for more powers. She highlighted that only a fraction of former staff had come forward to give evidence, with less than 30% of essential witnesses agreeing to attend evidence sessions. Marjorie Wallace, CEO of mental health charity SANE, stressed that the issues leading to this inquiry were not limited to Essex alone. She described this investigation as the largest of its kind in the country, and she believes that its findings will have broader implications, acting as a catalyst for improvements in mental health care nationwide. Solicitor Priya Singh, representing 85 families of patients through her firm Hodge, Jones & Allen, stated that this development would provide much-needed answers for those who have lost loved ones. She emphasized that this was not only crucial for the affected families but also instrumental in preventing future deaths. Responding to the announcement, Paul Scott, CEO of the Essex Partnership University NHS Foundation Trust, reaffirmed the organization's commitment to supporting the inquiry in any form it takes. He expressed the importance of ensuring that families, caregivers, and service users receive the answers they rightfully deserve. With the Essex Mental Health Deaths Inquiry now granted legal powers, the hope is that this investigation will shed light on the circumstances surrounding the tragic deaths of mental health patients. The findings and recommendations may lead to vital improvements in mental health care and serve as a catalyst for change across the country. We will continue to follow this story closely as it unfolds.